the boat, baby. In the boat. This is how we do it. We out here representing today. What is up, peeps? We're back. We are back. Hope you guys enjoyed that Wahoo video I just posted. We're trolling for Wahoos again. It's raining. 7 a.m. in the morning. No bites yet. First time turning the GoPro on. Hopefully you can sit some mojo up. We're Wahoo trolling today. It is the end of March. Wahoos are in Bermuda, and we are trying to find them. So when the action starts up, we're gonna get the GoPro on for you guys. Let's do it, baby. Just like that, we're doubled up. We're doubled up. She's screaming. Keep them tight, Seti. Get these up. We're hooked up there. Break it, break it, break it. I need to speed up. Yeah. Strike! I got this. Let's go! In the boat, baby. In the boat. All right, we're gonna let you guys go. We're gonna get you. We gotta get the lines back out. They're biting. Let's go, baby. Hooked up again, baby. Probably about 10 minutes later. Fish screamed offline down in the back end. Pouring down of rain. I'm ducking the rain while catching this fish.
Jakey.
Yes, sirski. We almost got him to the boat, please.
Back up to the side of the boat. So take the GoPro?
We're got the guy. We're got the guy.
Alright. There you go, it's strong.
Let's go! That's what we like to see, baby. That's fish number 3. Let's keep it going, cuzzy. Let's go, boys. Number 4, baby.
Hey guys, so hooked up again. I just lost the lure. Got cut off. Look at that. All shaped up. Twined up. A lot of times when you catch a fish, that lure will slide up there when he's running. And then one will connect to here, and the fish will go there and eat that, and you'll get cut off. Not a lot of the times, but it happens every now and then. Not supposed to, but what can you do?
Yeah. Woo! Number 5, baby. Let's go, Seti. What a pretty one. Woo! All right, peeps, we gotta get these lures back out. Bite's good right now. Nice one.
Keep going, pull forward.
In the boat! Woo!
That's alright.
Let's go, baby!
Got a little flip of water on the lens.
That's number 6. You just checked back in.
So here we have Jake over to Patrick. Haven't had catch it. Nothing.
Alright guys, GoPro's about to die.
Jake's been messing around all day while fishing.
No. It's 4 p.m. We had that rip in the morning. You saw us catch those nice 6 Wahoos. Nothing after that. We gave you guys some action. But we are gonna head home. It's blowing about, I don't know, 20 knots out here right now. It's getting pretty windy. Fish stopped biting. So we're gonna check in back home. And yeah, we gotta check in, go back home, clean the boat up, get the fish on some good ice, do all that fun stuff. This is how we do it. We out here representing today. First time Fancy Fisherman's wearing the full attire. So we getting it going. We out on the roadside. We selling some fish. This is basically what happens when we get an influx of fish and we can't supply all the restaurants with fish. All our orders are full. We cut it all up. Beautiful, showing the steaks, Brucey. And we take it out to the roadside. Look, we got cars pulling up, and this is how it happens. Show them, Brucey. We got cars pulling up. We're gonna send the fish all day until we sell out. How you doing?
Hey, where you got, Bradgen? Where you got? Where you got?
Yes, I got some. We got some Wahoo steaks, $25 a bag. $25 a bag on what's going.
Too expensive. Too expensive. What?
I be getting my money, you men's is acting real funny. I see the hate in your eye. Yeah, you thinking I'm lucky, now I'm just